Let's take a look at how to export clips to Final Cut Pro for onset editing. The export includes all clips currently visible in the library view. We start by selecting a smart group, for example, Scene 25. We can also add Scene 26, so that both scenes will be included. In the Export menu, we choose Export to Final Cut Pro. In this Export Options window, we see that all 64 clips will be included. But we can choose to auto-generate timelines with only the flagged or best rated takes and ranges. That gives us just the best parts of our circled takes, a perfect starting point for our editing. When we hit Export, Final Cut Pro launches and asks us to pick a target library. The import is quick, even with many clips. In the event browser, we see all 64 clips. In outranges show up as keyword ranges, named with late info and ratings. The best rated ones are marked as favorites, indicated by this green bar. Our annotated nodes become searchable keyword ranges too, and all markers with their nodes and ratings come across. We can also see all clip metadata in the Metadata tab, including slate info and other concatenated metadata in the Nodes field. Now let's look at the timelines Reeltime Pro created for us. We get two: a multi-track timeline with one track per camera, and a multi-cam timeline where all synced camera angles are combined into a single multicam clip, making it easy to reorder or switch angles. When we enable angles in the viewer, we can see all camera angles at once and quickly pick the best shot. The timeline index shows only circled takes already arranged in script order, a focused starting point. We also see markers and annotated ranges, which we can jump to directly. Let's do a quick edit. I want to start with this close-up of the guitar playing. Trimming a multicam clip is super easy as its contained angles always stay synced. Okay, I make an edit here. And now I'd like to combine it with this clip because I like the dynamic motion when the woman enters the room. For this shot, I prefer the B camera angle, so I just click on it in the viewer. Now I want to cut in this shot here, so we can show his reaction when she enters. And finally, I want to cut to the other camera angle right here when she takes off the headphones. I delete the rest for now. And we're done. Now we are ready to show our edit to the director. In Reeltime Pro, I've created a third input slot that receives the NDI signal from our Final Cut Pro timeline. With the slot follow selection option, we can temporarily route the director's monitor to this timeline output and play back our preview edit. We can also export a QuickTime file and auto-import it back into Reeltime Pro's library. We just use this prepared destination preset from the Share menu, and as soon as rendering finishes, the clip shows up in the library, ready for playback anytime. As you can see, the integration is seamless and fast, making on-set editing with Reeltime Pro and Final Cut Pro easy and efficient.